We might make this only 52 if it's acceptable. And let's run and see how it will look like. Let's go. There's very, very slight differences. So it's not even recommended because you have changed a lot. Make it same as 58. So look for activities that weighs a lot and will increase September. And do the same for January. January, what do we have in Jan? We have if, and E. And we have nothing more than if, and E in testing and commissioning. So we might start if, and E later on because it started, earlier, not later on. It started on 1st of Jan. If we moved it a little bit, it would affect how it will look like. Let's try to do this one. So here we might say instead of finish to finish, we would give a lead, another lead by -5 delete. And this one will make a difference, definitely, because this one has a lot of selling price resources, so it will make a difference. So let's go and see. Didn't make that much difference, but this one didn't move a lot as well. So let's double check. Yeah, okay, so we might move this one again as -5. And here it is. Let's check. It definitely made a difference. But as you see, there's no critical path because this one was the critical path. So we have decreased the whole over project. So this is not very, very recommended, but you can as well. For the testing and commissioning, let's see the relationship again. There's no for this one. We might increase the testing and commissioning duration. We might do this. We might give it 5 more days. And now it will be the same critical path. That's actually a good exercise, yeah, to understand things better. So now we have adjusted this, still remaining September. You might accept this, especially if you check the calendar, if there's a lot of holidays or not. Go to your calendar, the guard room, check month of September, and there's no much. So in that case, you can adjust it. Take it as your exercise to adjust it, or you can even keep it the same. Keeping it the same, it doesn't matter this much. Slight differences, it's not a big deal, but the overall shape of the curve, kind of reasonable. So now you have finished, at least you understood now how to adjust whatever you want to adjust if you would like, or you can keep it according to your project goal and the organizational goals.